Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S80. In this video I'll tell you about common problems and repair costs of this car. Let's start with aging electronics, especially the infotainment and the climate control modules. EGR valve and DPF blockages in diesel models if used for short trips. Oil leaks from PCV system or cam seals in older 5-cylinder petrol engines. Front suspension wear, bushings, control arms and drop links are common wear points. Repair costs vary but are usually lower than BMW or Audi alternatives. For example, costs: EGR cleaning replacement 200 up to 400 euros, suspension overhaul 250 to 500 euros, trimming belt kit for D5 300 to 400 euros. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.